ARSA Amino Booster is a premium dietary supplement designed to help you achieve your fitness goals. It is formulated with a powerful blend of essential amino acids that work together to support muscle growth, repair, and recovery. The supplement contains all 9 essential amino acids, including branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, which play a crucial role in protein synthesis and muscle development. It is also enriched with glutamine, an amino acid that helps to reduce muscle soreness and fatigue. ARSA Amino Booster is ideal for athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness enthusiasts who want to enhance their performance, endurance, and recovery. It is a perfect pre- and post-workout supplement that can help you fuel your muscles and speed up their recovery. The supplement comes in an easy-to-swallow capsule form, making it convenient to consume. It is also free from any artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives, making it a safe and healthy option. ARSA Amino Booster is manufactured in a GMP-certified facility and is tested for quality, purity, and potency. It is a trusted brand that has gained popularity among fitness enthusiasts worldwide. By incorporating ARSA Amino Booster into your fitness routine, you can maximize your gains and achieve your fitness goals faster. Whether you are looking to build muscle, improve your endurance, or enhance your recovery, ARSA Amino Booster can help you get there. So, what are you waiting for? Take your fitness to the next level.